Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk over the use of prepositions by, at and in. So as here examples I have written for the use of by, at and in. For use of by, he will come by 4 o'clock. Here by is preposition. Why by is preposition? Because it is becoming a link and it is showing time. The approximate time means he will come by 4 o'clock. Approximate, near about 4 o'clock, means it may be 5 minutes earlier or later also. For the use of at is basically used to denote small places or a particular moment or time. For example, she lives at Kalpi. For small places, at is used. You can see here lives, this is the verb. And Kalpi, this is noun. So at is working here as a linking word, and therefore at comes in the category of prepositions. As I told you already that prepositions are linking words. Then next, the use of in. I am in the class. Here in is linking word, because am, you can see here is the only verb coming is am. This is the verb, and the verb is getting linked to the class. The class is a collective noun. So here in is showing place or position. Here at is showing place, and here by it is showing time. If you want to take any other example regarding by, first of all we will take few examples, because by is used in many places. Then we will talk about at, and then we will talk about in. So these are the examples related where by is used as for showing approximate time, at is used for showing place, and in is also used for showing place or position. So first of all we will talk over the uses of by. Because by is used in many places for showing time, for showing place, or some action also. For example, we take he was called by her. So here by is showing that by whom the work or the action is being done. Next, if you take example, he kept the chair by me, means here by is showing next to me, that is the position. So you can see that he was called by her. Here by is showing that by whom the work is done. Called is the verb and her is pronoun. And in this sentence you will see he kept the chair by me. Here by is showing position, that is next to me or beside me. Now we take one more example. He came by car. So now you see by is also here working as a linking word. Came is verb and car is noun. And what by is showing here, what linkage it is showing, that he came by car, means it is showing an action which is being done by the doer. So you can see these are the different uses of by, as in he was called by her. By is being linking and showing by whom the work is being done. He kept the chair by me, that is next or beside. Here by is showing position. He came by car, means it's an object. And here by is showing that by how you came. So it is by car. You can see in all the sentences by is acting as a linking word, but it is showing, conveying different meanings. Somewhere it is showing by whom the work is done, somewhere it shows position, and it also shows the action which is done by the doer. Now we will talk about the use of at, because at is used at small places, and it is also used to show the exact or particular time. Because if we take an example, at the moment, at the door, at the railway station. So in like these sentences, if these are coming, then you will use at there. Why we are using at here? Because it is showing surety. It is used for a particular thing. What it is showing? It is showing surety here. At the moment means we are talking about exact time. At the door, we are talking about a particular or a definite place. At the railway station, we are talking about a particular position or a place. So these are the different uses of at where it can be used. And it is used to denote small places like she lives at Kalpi. He came at that moment. And if you use here in, suppose he came in a moment. If you are using in here, then the will not come here, because the word, it is an article and it shows definite things or surety. So it is showing exact moment, exact time. In a moment, we don't know in which moment we are talking. So after in, here you can see that a is being used, because a is an indefinite article. So these are the various uses of at. Now we will talk about the use of in. The very first thing, the in is used to denote or indicate big places like she lives in Mumbai. Because it is a big city, we are talking about a big place. Suppose if we talk about a small place like Kalpi or Urei, like that, so what will come here? We will use here at. But for big places, we will use in. In is used to show the contents, what is inside it. As for example, we took he is in the class, in. And now you see, you notice one thing, that here only one verb is coming, that is, and it is getting linked to the class, and class is noun. So in the following sentences, we talked about the use of by, at, and in. So by is also used for many purposes in many sentences and with different meanings. And about the use of at and in also we talked. In is used to denote a thing, what are the contents in it, what is inside in, like he is in the class, he is in the room, I am in the meeting, means somewhere you are busy, like that. And at is used to denote exact time, place, or a particular moment or position.